Success of an internet IPO is incredible and it will give boost to the technology businesses in India, and it's a disruption on the lifestyle that we all are being living. Boosting technology businesses and technology in India and application of technology in India following the fourth industrial revolution, that is data and use of data as an application, that is being welcomed by Salil Parekh, CEO of Infosys, during its announcement of the results day. While announcing its results, he is repeating that it is incredible that the technology evolution is on its way. And they leverage it in the digital ecosystems and help the lifestyles, changing lifestyles of every citizens of India, every corner of India. He feels that all the technology businesses in India will get boost after a successful IPO of Zomato, and the cards are opening and the doors are opening for all the technology businesses in the days, weeks, and months to come. During the last week, Rajesh Gopinathan, CEO of TCS, also welcomed the the internet IPO Zomato. In his speech, with the rush on the Zomato IPO, he stated that the risk capital IPOs in India is basically the maturity of the capital markets in India, and it's welcomed by him, and states that it is opening the door for all the technology businesses in India. I recall the launch of Jio in 2016 September, and thereafter the lifestyle which we have lived, and Mukesh Ambani has repeatedly told in those days and the quarters thereafter that the fourth industrial revolution is going to be digital revolution and the data revolution, and data will disrupt the ecosystems in the world, and it will disrupt the lifestyles of every common man of the country and on the earth. And he too reiterated again and again that it is the data that will change the lifestyle of each and every human being on the earth. And today, after almost 4 years of successful launch of Jio and the disruption that he has made in the field of data with the use of Jio, and how our lifestyle has changed and how smartphones are becoming a necessity for each and every one of us, and the lifestyle becoming so busy even during lockdown and during this pandemic of COVID, that even while sitting at home and working from home, we all were busy for almost more than 15 hours to 18 hours. And they were the people who were forced to order from Zomato, being the easiest way to order and eat, and the quality food on the doorsteps just on a phone call. This will continue, this habit will continue, and eventually this habit will prevail in each and every family of India. And we expect at least 20% of the family of India to use Zomato app in the next 4 to 5 quarters repeatedly, and the journey will continue in the other families too gradually. And affordability will not matter, because the time saved on cooking will be used for basically earning, even while earning from home. And the people who are like husband wife, when both are busy during that professional career or life, even from working from home or otherwise, they are going to basically thinking about a home food and order it from either from the home kitchen and connect it to the users like us, or maybe from the restaurants. And restaurants will again come out with the different dishes that will suffice the need of every human being as a part of their daily life, say tiffins. So it's a modern way of tiffins. Okay, the dabbawala days will be, I think it will be over, and the modern way of ordering the food and eating the food and without having any tensions of returning the dabba, I think the days are coming soon, even after the lockdown is open and the life is becoming normal, maybe 2 or 3 quarters down the line. But the ecosystem, the food delivery ecosystem that is being built by Gaurav and his team over the last 1 decade, the fruits of the same are going to be enjoyed by all of us in India, and the order delivery and um, the app that we are going to use it again and again, it will become the lifestyle. Zomato will become an indispensable part of each one's life, though it's not today. It will be like, opening up the Zomato app in the morning for breakfast, for lunch, and for dinner. Good or bad, ethical, unethical, healthy, unhealthy, all these things will be decided on the during the course of time, and how the ecosystem develops. But eventually, it's a habit that is being created, and the habit that will make the success of the launch of Zomato on its financials too. And we also congratulate Zomato team for coming out with an IPO and giving us an opportunity to be a part of the food delivery ecosystems. Three cheers to Zomato. Be with them in the journey and appreciate them and trade them, invest into them, and be a part of the success story along with all the people who have joined in the QIP team and the venture capital in last 1 decade. I think it's a business to be ventured into, and we need to be a part of it, maybe in a small way. Let's join the journey. Three cheers to them.